Hi, I'm Jennifer Monroe, independent consultant with Norwex, and I'm going to show you how I use my Safehaven 5 set to clean the stove and microwave area. So in case you need a quick reminder, the Safehaven 5 set has the Enviro cloth, window cloth, dust mitt, cleaning paste, and detergent. And really, these 5 products will be the top products that you're going to use in your home. I mean, probably 90-95% of the time, you're gonna grab one of these things. And that's why they save you so much time and money. They will last for years. I mean, definitely great value. So, I'm gonna come over here. Now, just a quick overview. Usually the top cabinet here gets all greasy, right, and dusty and stuff. The microwave, I mean, the inside and out gets all grimy. Backsplash, stovetop, right? That speaks for itself. Stainless steel, oven, like the whole thing. So I'm gonna show you how I use that to clean this, okay? Now remember, this is just one little area I'm putting this set to use. You can do the same thing all over the house. So first of all, we'll start at the very top with the cabinets. Now, if your cabinets aren't that bad, like these cabinets are pretty good, I've been trying to maintain them, then all I do is I get my dust mitt and I just dust. And I can just wipe them down like that because I have like that little lip there that can get pretty gross. So as long as I kind of dust them on a regular basis, they don't get bad. But sometimes the grease will build up because it's over the stove. And in that situation, my favorite thing is detergent. Yes, I know that sounds so crazy, but this detergent is fantastic with grease and grime all over the house. So what I do is I just get a bowl of water, and I had put in here already, I mean, just a little sprinkle of detergent. I mean, maybe 1/4 of a teaspoon, okay? And then I get my Enviro cloth and I just soak it in here and just get it all wet with the detergent water. And then when I come to my cabinets to scrub, it really helps me cut through the grease. And then it doesn't damage my paint or my wood or whatever yours are made out of. Now before, remember I said I cleaned them before and they were bad? Well, I had to double team. I had to do the detergent water and cleaning paste, all right? So the cleaning paste, I'll open it here in just a second when I clean the stovetop, but it's like a thick brick. And this just like glides in there, it gets on the cloth, and then I come back up and scrub. So if they're really bad, you might need both, but maybe not. And you just kind of rub until all of the grease comes off. So really super easy. Now, as we move down to the microwave, I think the first thing that we're always like, ugh, is the splatters. And you know what? You caught me on a good day. It normally looks a lot worse than this. So all you do is I just rub over it with my Enviro cloth. Look at that. Ta-da! Isn't that incredible? I mean, literally, it took me 0 effort to just wipe that out. I love it. And then remember, as I'm doing so, I am picking up 99% of all the bacteria on the surface. Isn't that great? So, oh, of course, when you follow proper care instructions, all right? And you do it the right way. So do it the way Norwex tells you to do it. Okay, now the outside of the microwave, the same thing. I'm gonna get my Enviro cloth and I'm just gonna wipe the whole thing down. And as I'm cleaning, it's cutting through the grease, the grime, the fingerprints, the food splashes. And then also, don't forget, I'm picking up 99% of all the bacteria. I love that. And then get your window cloth so you can see my reflection. Hi. And we're gonna polish. Oh, I just love how beautiful it makes my stainless steel. And you just don't even have to try. I mean, I'm just barely wiping stuff, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, shiny, gorgeous, very little to minimum effort. I mean, hello. So easy, so very easy. Now, as we work our way down, you see those little vent things under there? Did you know that you can remove these and clean them? And the way I clean these is I just soak them in, you got it, detergent, yay! Okay, working our way down, we've got our backsplash. Normally this, you know, gets crud that splashes all over it. I just give it a nice wipe down. You can get into that grout as well. I've got my pot holder. I give it a wipe down with my Norwex, and then I go back, polish it with my window cloth so that stays nice and shiny. Oh, whoops. Don't do that. And then finally, the stove top. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Okay, this is what mine looked like after yesterday. A little mac and cheese left, a little rice. So how do we tackle this bad boy? Well, let me flip the camera around here and I will show you what I do. So here's how I like to clean my stovetop. First of all, I get my Enviro cloth and I just go through and just kind of pick up all of the general grime, like the little crumbs and stuff like that in the rice, because the Enviro cloth does a really great job of picking it all up. See? See, look how it like stays in there? So then I can just dump it out in the sink. It doesn't fall all over the floor. Super easy, all right? Okay, now this is nice and wet, and this is when I'm gonna get my cleaning paste. Now, the cleaning paste, when you open it up, see how it has, it's like a nice flat brick, right? So that's the way it looks when you use it, and this will last you a really long time. You know, of course, depending on how much you use, depends on how long it lasts. But mine always ends up looking like this because I drop it, and I actually like it this way better. I love getting these little crumbs out, and I just kind of throw them around and clean with those. So if yours looks like this, it's no big deal. It doesn't matter at all. So next, I get a Sperry sponge, okay? You see this right here? This is called a Sperry sponge, and this is not in the Safehaven 5 set, but I really, really recommend these just to help you scrub without scratching. So I like to get it wet, again with the water. And then I just go to town, and you see how I just grab these little crumbs that came off my cleaning paste there, and I just go around the stove. I probably added a little too much water, but you know what, who cares? It's really forgiving. And when I bought this glass stovetop, I had no idea this thing would be so hard to clean. I mean, if you do not have this cleaning paste, I have no idea how anybody keeps their stovetop clean. I mean, whether it's a glass or gas or just one of those traditional coil ones. So you see how I just give it a nice little scrub all over, nothing too hard. Then I get my Enviro cloth again. I go back over it and I pull up all the leftover cleaning paste. Oh, sorry, I did not wear the right bracelets for this demo, did I? Nope. Now, for the fun part, get your window cloth and you can make it all shiny. Isn't that great? Look at that. So just shine it on up, give it a nice little polish. Oh, turn the light on. There you go. Now, this was just a quickie job. Like, I didn't work at it that hard, but you will see how beautiful and shiny that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Look, I mean, there's a couple little spots here that I can get when I clean more with it, but overall, I'm always very impressed at how easily it makes this thing shine. Now also, if you notice my window cloth, see, this was one that was a limited edition one a few years ago. And if you ever see a limited edition one you love, then grab it, because it is so much fun to clean with things that make you smile. All right, we're gonna keep working our way down. Now I've got some stainless steel here, And again, super easy. Just grab the Enviro cloth, just give it a nice wipe down. I clean my knobs. And then after that, I polish it with the window cloth. So it just gives it that nice shiny gleam that we're looking for, right? Perfect, so you can do that. And you can polish it all the way down. I usually get the black and the bottom part. I mean, that Enviro cloth and window cloth does such a great job. Now, what about inside there? It's pretty scary in there. I hate cleaning the oven. So there's a couple things I really recommend. First of all, sticking with the Safehaven 5 set, I did use cleaning paste to work on this oven door. So I just kind of want to show you before and after. So this is done with cleaning paste, but I did use this. Okay, I love showing people my used stuff because this is a spear net. You can get a 2-pack for very inexpensive, and this is what they look like after about a year. It looks like it's been tortured on Game of Thrones. But the point is it still works just fine. So I use this with the cleaning paste, and look at that door. What a difference that makes. I mean, that literally took me like a minute just to scrub that little section to show you guys. Now, the rest of the oven is a big disaster. So whenever you need to do like a full cleaning, I really recommend this product we have called Oven and Grill Cleaner. Oh my goodness, it just does a beautiful job cleaning the entire inside of the oven. It's great for your outdoor grill, and it requires very little scrubbing, and there's zero toxic odor. I love, love, love that. So here we go. Ta-da! This whole area is beautiful and clean, and basically we used the Safehaven 5 set with the 3 main cloths, the cleaning paste, and the detergent. And I did add Speary sponge and spear net to do a couple little more scrubbing jobs. And the difference between the two is this one doesn't scratch, but this one will, because this is a heavy duty scrubber, so kind of be careful. But those are both great extra tools to have with your cleaning. So I really hope this has encouraged you to get your own Safehaven 5 set, or if you already have one, some ideas on how you can really use it specifically in this area, but then all over the house.